What are you making?
I'm making a Janesville house. Are we there yet? Almost there, Mom. Almost there.
Almost.
We made it.
Woohoo!
No, it's time for these ones. Time for these ones to chip through it. That one. Or the mayo?
Hi, Sunny.
I like the mayo. I'm pushing the mayo, but try again. Back out.
Did you go to a construction site yesterday?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Our new excavator. Excavator buttons. Excavator buttons. Excavator buttons.
And what else?
Nothing.
Nothing else. There was a lot.
There was a scraper in the dirt.
Yeah.
And that's the scraper.
Ah.
The scraper's engine. Not the scraper's engine. Our excavator engine.
Oh.
And right there is the extra stops the engine. And then this right there also. I have something else.
And did you see a dump truck?
Yeah, that's the dump truck engine.
And
The pay list.
did the dump truck get filled up? Calm down. Did it empty the dump truck?
Put on tractors to the pay list. There's a
To the playlist?
pay list house. And the pay list house the tractors with. And they're done, they go to a pay list. And they go to Janesville, they're not done. They go.
What you doing? Are you eating? Eating juice?
Are you eating oranges? Hey, she's eating all my food.
Are you coming back to lunch?
Nope, not yet.
Can't you take a break from working?
Nope.
But I want you to come hang out with us instead of working on tractors.
I want to work on tractors. Almost to pay list.
Hi, Sonny.
Almost to pay list.
Hi.
Meet tractors.
Hi there.
No.
Hi.
Hey, why is it not coming out? Oh, we're here.
Oh, yay! You did it! Are you at the beach house?
Fast.
Hey, hey,
Move fast to there.
hey. Whoa, slow down.
There's cheese on there.
Where's your beach house?
Huh?
Where's your beach house?
And the waiting room.
You have a beach house in the living room?
Yep.
I thought it was over there by the kitchen.
We're over here by the kitchen.
Oh. Alright, well, I'll see you later.